Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to play PLS Donate in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. PLS Donate is a popular game on Roblox where players can give and receive donations using in-game currency. When you start the game, you can either create your own donation booth or explore other players' booths. To create a booth, tap on the plus icon and set up a message explaining why you need donations. This helps attract other players to support you. If you want to donate to others, simply walk up to their booth and tap the donate button. You will need Robux or in-game currency to donate, so make sure you have enough before you begin. The goal is to either collect donations to buy new items or just help others in the community. You can customize your avatar and booth to make it more appealing, which increases your chances of getting donations. Remember to be polite and friendly while interacting with others, as it makes the experience better for everyone. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.